Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Crypto.com, full guide step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Crypto.com, first, download the Crypto.com app from your app store. Create an account by providing your email and setting a strong password. Verify your account through the link sent to your email. Complete the identity verification process by uploading the required documents. Once your account is set up, enable two-factor authentication for added security. Next, link your bank account or credit card to start funding your wallet. Navigate to the Wallet tab to see your available assets. Decide on a specific budgeting plan that suits your financial goals. Consider using the Crypto.com Earn feature to earn interest on your crypto holdings. Set aside a portion of your earnings for investments and savings. Use the Track feature to monitor the performance of your assets. Regularly review your budget to make adjustments based on market trends. Create alerts for price changes to stay informed about your investments. Keep track of your spending habits directly within the app. Consider using the Crypto.com Visa card for everyday purchases to earn cash back in crypto. At the end of each month, evaluate your financial goals and spending. Adjust your budget for the upcoming month based on your analysis. Use the insights gathered to refine your investment strategies. Continue educating yourself about cryptocurrency trends and budgeting techniques. Stay disciplined with your budget to achieve long-term financial success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.